Good morning, everyone. Greetings to the members of UNESCO IFAP WJAI as well as fellow speakers. Can transparency restore accountability? That is the question we are going to address today in front of this august audience. Let me begin today with a quote that dates to the French Revolution. With great power comes great responsibility. This is especially true with reference to artificial intelligence because AI is already in our life even without we knowing about it. AI is here and now. We are already living with AI. Our cell phones use AI. Intelligent algorithms on legal platforms suggest that what we should watch, what we should buy, read, or even eat. Advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) are becoming mainstream. The concept of public to citizen or digital government is a significant AI uh, use case with potential to redefine government relationships with citizens and businesses. For enterprises, AI is optimizing services, delivering superior customer experience, improving productivity, governing, generating new and sustainable business models. Accountability is one of the important components of a good artificial intelligence policy. It means that there is someone responsible for the results of AI fueled decisions. Accountability is about clear acknowledgement and assumptions of responsibility and answerability of actions, decisions, products, and policies. Since 1970s, as artificial intelligence started becoming more advanced, humans started to face the challenges in comprehending and retracing how the algorithms come to a result. The algorithmic systems rapidly grew to a scale and complexity. The whole calculation process of AI soon turned into commonly referred as black box model, which were created directly from data. Today, neither the engineers or data scientists who create these algorithms can interpret them or how the AI algorithm processed to a specific result. Now, the biggest problem that stems from this uninterpretable artificial intelligence model lies in front of our face. Apparently, as they say, the accountability gap. Our legal systems are built on a fundamental assumption of human agents. Suddenly, we start replacing humans with autonomous actors, and then what happens? We are forced with a blatant problem of attributing AI related harm to human or group of humans because how do we make someone answerable for a model whose result they cannot interpret, even though they have created it? Consequently, the accountability gap adds serious difficulty to victims looking to receive justice and compensation through the legal system. This growing issue of black box has thus given birth to the several recommendations regarding introduction of tools that makes artificial intelligence more interpretable and subsequently accountable. This include European regulation known as General Data Protection Regulation GDPR, the European Parliament's resolution on civil laws rules on robotics, and so on and so forth that, that focus on how to close current accountability gap in AI. One potential mechanism that has received great attention is the GDPR right to explanation. It deals with another component of artificial intelligence policy, and that is explanation. But how do we understand by the term explanation in the first place? In general sense, the explain is to make an idea or a situation clear to someone by describing it in more details. Stemming from the term explanation is the concept of explainability. Explainability refers to a set of processes and methods allowing human users to comprehend and trust the results and outputs created by a machine. It is a tool, if said in layman's term, opens up black box to reveal the workings of an AI model. Explainability takes place when the algorithm and the data that drive it are readily understandable. Promoting algorithmic accountability, therefore, the primary reason for being explainable. Explainability can attribute to systems of accountability by providing users the access to information and insight that allows them to appeal a decision or alter their behavior. However, explanation may be misleading, deceptive, and could pose privacy questions, as they can be used to infer information about a model or training data. It can also create issues with the problems of replicability and opening research to the competitors. Moreover, through GDPR's right to explanation make explainability an obligation for the developer of AI, and therefore providing an explanation does not mean that developers should necessarily know the flow of bits through the AI system. Provision merely calls for an ability to explain how certain parameters may be utilized. Hence, an explanation is not equivalent to complete transparency. In the context of AI, transparency implies some level of accessibility of the data or algorithms. What is algorithm doing? Why it is outputting this decision? How did it know to do this? Creating transparent algorithms and AI systems allow it to explain, inspect, and reproduce how artificial intelligence models make decisions. It may sound like I am describing explainability to you again, but if you see carefully, when a concept of explainability to include a requirement for an output of an algorithmic decision to be justifiable, accessible, and error free, AI transparency comes into the picture. An AI model works perfectly fine, but if the input data is flawed or biased, this will affect the outcome. Even if you don't use race or gender explicitly in your model, it doesn't mean these models do not play a role in the output. In order to check or confirm that AI system is not using the data in a way that results in bias or discriminatory outcomes, some level of transparency is necessary. Hence, transparency further allows the concept of fairness to come into the picture. The principle of fair and transparent processing requires the data subject be informed of the existence of the processing operation and its purposes. Transparency can also be important in enforcing legal rights surrounding a system, in proving that a product or service meet regulatory standards and helping navigate questions about liability. But is it sufficient to fill accountability gap? To set a culture of accountability, the obvious way forward seems to be breaking the shield of opacity and letting the sunlight in. A call for AI transparency seems justified. After all, whether party or institution must be called an accountant, called to account, the raw data of the whole process are to be available for inspection. So, with every step towards disclosure, accountability for the functioning of algorithmic system should seem to come nearer to being restored. It is hard to ensure that information required from the transparent system is clear, reliable, accessible when used within the AI application. The term fuzzy transparency has been used to describe such unreliable data. Open source systems increase the trust of users, but even having full transparency of a source code dataset training and test data only gives specific snapshot of its functionality. Accountability is about answerability. Yet AI algorithms use comes with serious challenges to our collective ability to interrogate and challenge algorithmic outcomes. Model transparency additionally necessitates concerted efforts of system architects to explain their models. Achieving algorithmic transparency and accountability in a meaningful sense cannot therefore be achieved with ease. It requires constant and continuous documentation, monitoring, evaluation of systems at every stage of the life cycle. To create accountability and in the environment that supports individual autonomy and creates a system of accountability, a lot more than AI transparency and explainability is required. Thus, to conclude, I believe algorithmic transparency is highly necessary but insufficient condition to bridge the accountability gap. In short, AI can be utilized both in a manner that elevates economic and social well being and that may lead to potential harm. This creates a need to devise and employ specific governance measures that provide appropriate guardrails to protect citizens and society, to promote fairness and equality. Discrimination can stem from biases in the AI systems themselves and through the implementation of these systems by humans. Hence, the ethical AI framework needs to target both human and algorithmic biases. Thank you for listening me patiently and wish you all the best. Namaste.